Welcome back to another BdThemes tutorial. Today we're exploring the performance module of the Smart Admin Assistant plugin by BdThemes. This module helps you boost your WordPress site's speed and efficiency by optimizing revisions, cleaning up unnecessary data, and improving overall loading performance. Keeping your site lightweight and well-tuned ensures smoother operation and a faster user experience. Let's dive in and see how it works. To get started, open your Smart Admin Assistant dashboard. From the list of modules on the left, select the Performance module. This module is designed to help reduce server load, increase site speed, and optimize database and resource usage for smoother performance across your WordPress site. The first section you'll see is Revision Control. This feature allows you to manage how WordPress handles post and page revisions. When the toggle switch is enabled, you'll find several customization options to fine-tune how revisions are stored. The maximum revisions to keep setting lets you decide how many revisions should be retained for each post or page. Setting this value to 0 completely turns off revisions, which can help save database space. Next, there's the Auto-Delete Old Revisions option. By enabling this feature, WordPress will automatically remove older revisions beyond the set limit, helping you keep the database lean and efficient. You'll also notice the Clean Up Existing Revisions option, which removes any excess revisions from existing posts based on your current configuration. This ensures that your site doesn't carry unnecessary data that slows down performance over time. Moving on, the Heartbeat API management section gives you control over how often WordPress communicates with the server in the background. The Heartbeat API is responsible for tasks like auto-saving posts and showing real-time updates, but it can also increase server load if it runs too frequently. By enabling this section, you can adjust the frequency of these background requests to balance performance and functionality better. You can choose between different frequency levels, from high activity to minimal intervals, depending on how often you want WordPress to check for updates. Additionally, you'll find options to disable the Heartbeat API in specific areas. The Disable on Dashboard setting turns it off entirely within the WordPress admin dashboard, while the Disable on Front-End option prevents it from running on the front end of your website. Both options can reduce unnecessary server activity, particularly for sites with high traffic or multiple users working simultaneously. The next section is Database Optimization, which focuses on keeping your WordPress database clean and efficient. This section is available in the Pro version of Smart Admin Assistant. Once activated, you'll have several powerful tools at your disposal. The Auto Clean Expired Transients feature automatically removes outdated temporary data from your database every week, keeping it clutter-free. The Auto-Delete Spam Comments option helps by regularly clearing spam comments older than 30 days, ensuring your database isn't weighed down by unnecessary entries. Similarly, the Auto-Empty Trash setting automatically removes trashed posts, pages, and comments that have been sitting unused for over a month. For those who prefer manual control, the manual database cleanup tools let you perform one-click operations, such as cleaning transients, deleting spam comments, and optimizing database tables. These actions can significantly improve query performance and help your site run more smoothly. The final section within the module is Caching and Loading, another pro feature aimed at improving your site's front-end performance. Here, you can activate caching, enable compression, and optimize how resources are loaded. Turning on gzip compression reduces the size of your website's files, allowing them to load faster for visitors. The browser caching option instructs browsers to store static resources like images and scripts locally, minimizing repeated server requests. Enabling Minify HTML output removes unnecessary spaces and comments from your site's code, which slightly reduces page size and improves load time. Lastly, Preload Critical Resources lets you prioritize important CSS and JavaScript files so that essential elements load first, improving your site's initial render speed. At the very bottom of the module, you'll find the Reset to Defaults button. This allows you to quickly restore all performance module settings to their original state, making it easy to start over or revert changes if something doesn't work as expected. And that's how the performance module helps you enhance your WordPress site's speed, reduce server load, and keep your database optimized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest features and modules from Smart Admin Assistant. Thanks for watching.